Hello, hope you all have been doing great. So, I'm putting this video to kind of give an historical background regarding chemometrics. So, what is chemometrics? Where this word chemometrics came from? So, a little bit of history, right? So, if someone asks you, how do you define chemometrics? So, if you do a web search, you will find a number of definition. More or less, all of them say the same thing. So, but in our community, the Society of Chemometrics, we have come up with this definition that you will also see in the magazine named as Chemometrics and Intelligent Laboratory System. There we define chemometrics as as a chemical discipline that uses mathematical and statistical methods to design or select optimal procedures and experiments. That's one part. So, the first part of the definition talks about the design of experiment, and then we go to the next part that says, and to provide maximum chemical information by analyzing chemical data. So, these are like two things. One is before data acquisition, how chemometrics help you, and after experiment, when you have collected the data, how chemometrics help you. So chemometrics is not about coming only when the data is acquired, but it also is there before gathering the data. You use principles of chemometrics, design of experiment to get the most cleaned or reliable data set, right? Which is not random, that has a scientific foundation. So this is a chemometrics in nutshell. So we talk who coined this term, right? We like to know. So this term was coined by Professor Savenwald. He was professor of chemometrics at the Department of Chemistry in Umeå University. It's a university in south of, not south, in north of Sweden. And you would be surprised to know because we mentioned just now chemometrics is a chemical discipline combining statistics and mathematics. So probably he was the best guy to coin this word because he was son of a famous statistician, you know, Hermann Wald, and he was grandson of the chemist, the Nobel laureate, Savin Arrhenius. So you see where the gene is coming? It's coming from the chemist and the mathematician, statistician. So when you know, combine chemistry and mathematics, right? When you are a child, probably you could come with a discipline, we call it chemometrics. So it's really fascinating how things come. So it's a family where father and grandfather working in two domains, and the grandson make another domain, another discipline by combining them. It's really fascinating. So Savan Wolf, he was all his career he was at Omeo University. Recently he passed away, maybe 3 4 years back. He had a fantastic career, and you could say like he really took this field now, which is in most of the university all across the globe. Industry recognize uses, right? So it's a very important subject to study. So when you come to chemometrics, so whatever fundamental research or application you do, you can publish in two journals. You can publish in number of journals. There are numerous analytical, bioanalytical journals which publish chemometric application and also fundamental uh, developments. But the two who only publish chemometrics work is the Journal of Chemometrics that's come from Wiley, and the other one is Chemometrics and Intelligent Laboratory System. It comes from Elsevier. So this is a kind of a summary, right? I like to give it to you, and we talk more about chemometrics. Why do we need in coming video? So it's more about history about the chemometrics. So I will be putting another video in coming days, and then we learn more about this fascinating field. So till then, see you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.